going to start the drama Kurukshetra Reverse. I think everyone will enjoy. Silence please, it is a kind request to all. Kaluda, a passionate director, wanted his team to enact the scene of Duryodhana's day and victory of Bhima. On the day of function, the director comes onto the stage to check the last minute preparation. When he finds that instead of a battlefield, his assistant Haravan has put up a backdrop of forest. Irritated Kaluda decides not to proceed with drama and starts shouting. In the meantime, Haradhan enters. Scene 1 begins.
Haradhan! Haradhan! What's the matter, brother? Matter? What have you done? How come you have put up such a backdrop? Why? What's wrong? Such a wonderful forest scene. Forest? You idiot! An absolute idiot! I see. Nothing wrong. You see? Such lovely trees. Blooming flowers. With the melody of cuckoos on their branches. Lovely trees. Melody of cuckoos. Stop this nonsense. It ought to be a battlefield. How come it is a forest? And where is the lake? Doipayo? Where Duryodhana has to hide. You dumb fellow. Do you understand what mistake you have made? Good heavens! Lake! Should I dig out the stage to create a lake? Is this possible here? You fool! Then, if you say, I can arrange a big tank. Tank? What for? Duryodhan can hide inside it instead of lake. Now Duryodhan will hide inside a tank. What a horrible idea. Get it from my sight. Don't show me your face again. Okay, Kaluda.
Kaluda decides that he will somehow make to do with the existing backdrop and let the imagination of the audience run wild. Imagining that Duryodhana is hiding in the forest, he becomes quite apprehensive about the whole drama, as few rehearsals have been done. He calls out all the participants one by one.
Haradhan,
Yes, Kaluda.
call all the participants.
Okay.
Silence please. Niman enters the stage, dressed as he, with a long beard. Kaluda is bewildered. Scene 2 starts.
Who are you?
I am Nimai, Kaluda.
Nimai. Are you playing the role of Dhritarashtra?
Dhritarashtra? No, Kaluda. I am Bhim.
Oh, Bhim! Then, what is this beard for? Why do you need such a long beard like Baba Shah?
You see, Bhim has been fighting in the battlefield for days together. Fighting days and nights. When will he get time to shave? And where will he get a barber?
What an explanation! You think yourself too smart! Remember, Bhim has a brother named Arjun who can make impossible possible. With the help of his arrows, Arjun can even shave Bhim's beard. Do you understand, you fool?
What? With arrows. Are you sure, Kaluda?
Absolutely. I repeat, with his arrows. If he can make a bed of arrows for Bhishma, then definitely he can shave his brother's beard. Now go and take that beard off immediately.
Okay, Kaluda.
The certain Nimai is about to. Suddenly, he notices someone is coming. He hides himself beside the wheels. Nikhil, dressed as Lord Krishna, enters the stage. Scene 3 starts.
Look at me, Kaluda. How do I look? Isn't it great?
Oh, great indeed. Perfect for the whole of our sector.
Sector? Miss Ghost?
Exactly.
Don't say like this.
And what is this flute for?
I am Lord Krishna. Have you ever seen Lord Krishna without a flute?
Oh, really? Are you at Vrindavan? Playfully gazing your flocks? Lord Krishna is in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. You blockhead! What did Lord Krishna have in his hand? The divine corn shell, the Shankha Chakra. Where is that?
Conch shell? I cannot block on.
Shut up! Don't talk like a fool. If not the conch, at least the wheel, the chakra. Where is that?
Oh, wheel. I have arranged for that. I have brought the tire of my brother's bicycle.
What? Tire of a bicycle? Are you in your senses? One boy, boy, and I will shoot you.
Kaluda is too angry. Suddenly, he notices Nimai is standing with a long beard.
And you, Nimai, why are you still here? Didn't I tell you to take that beard off?
Kaluda, calm down. You are always after my beard. You only noticed Nikhil is dressed as Lord Krishna. But you didn't notice he is wearing boots.
This is derby shoes. Why have you put them on?
I sprained my leg, Kaluda. I can't wear any other shoes.
Are you mad? Have you lost your mind? Can you go up in the stage in these boots?
What is wrong with these boots?
I said, take them off right now.
Kaluda, try to understand. I will be limping then.
You will be limping. So what?
Lord Krishna limping. What will people say, Kaluda?
I am the director. I will handle people. No need to bother. Lord Krishna got hurt in the battlefield. So, walking with a limp, problem solved.
Lord Krishna got hurt in the battlefield. Thus limping. How does it look, Kaluda? What about my prestige?
Forget about your prestige. Do as I said.
It's not fair, Kaluda.
Okay. And Nimai, why are you still standing here? Go! Take that beard off!
Kaluda, I will definitely take it off. But Kaluda, I guess we don't have to buy tomatoes for next few years.
Tomatoes? What for? What do you mean?
The number of rotten tomatoes that the audience will throw on the stage after this job.
How dare you! You think everything is a joke? Both of you, get out of here!
Okay, Kaluda.
And you, take this!
Kaluda is too angry, unable to gather himself. He is very worried about the final play as everything is so improper.
the matter? Why do you make such a face? Must have eaten something junk. Now indigestion. I know you will let me down. Told you several times not to eat those junk.
Who told you? I am having indigestion.
Then why do you make such a face?
I want to quit. I don't want to act.
Sorry? What did you just say? Quit from the play.
Yes, you heard it right.
Very good. Great timing. Good joke. The play begins in another few minutes. You are Duryodhana, the central character, and you tell me now you don't want to act. It's also easy for you, Panna.
Yes, I don't want to play the role of Duryodhana.
Don't irritate me. I am already cross for several reasons. Don't mess with me. What's the matter with you?
That Nimai will play the role of him,
Of course,
and I will be Duryodhana.
as decided,
Impossible.
impossible means
Means I will not allow Nimai to break my thigh. The thin and lanky Nimai, whom I can throw out of the stage at any moment, will break my thigh. Impossible. I least care about your play.
Are you joking? Why are you doing this right now, Panna?
Shut up! I am Duryodhana. That Nimai will break my thigh. What a joke! Ha ha! Let Arjun come. I will show him myself.
Excited prompter enter to stop Panna.
Panna! What are you doing? Tell your dialogues properly. In this way, you will ruin the whole play.
Shut up! Jump, jump, Kanga. If you say one more single word, I will bash him.
Panna! You are crossing your limits!
You shut up! You liar! You are the responsible for the whole incident.
Yes, yes! It is my mistake. Yet I have given you the central character.
Now, Panna ignores prompter and delivers dialogue according to his own wish. Both Kaluda and Haradhan cannot understand how to make him stop. Both are extremely tense. Then, Lord Krishna enters the stage limping to somehow stop Panna.
Panda, are in your senses? What are you doing? Always remember that Duryodhana will never win, as he took the wrong path. The Pandavas will win in the battlefield, as they are honest and righteous.
Who is this blue fox giving lecture to me? Oh, lame Nikki! How did you break your leg, brother? Playing football with Arjun?
Are you insulting me in this way, Paludasi? Insulting me? I will not act.
Calm down, Nikhil. Calm down. Calm down. Panna, what are you doing? Don't mess everything in this way.
Who is this nonsense? Always speaking. I have tolerated your audacity for a long time. Now it is the time to show you who am I.
Leave me! Leave me!
Panna!
Leave me! Ah! Kaluda!
Idiot prompter escorted by Kaluda. Both of them have left the stage.
Now it is your turn. You people, why did you tell me the fact about the time of yourself?
I told you.
You told me, but you changed the whole fact. You told me that I will be the hero. Oh, rubbish! That Nimai will break my thigh. I will be lying on the ground dead. He will be taking all the credit. Impossible! This can't happen.
Impossible! I am tolerating your nonsense for the last few minutes. If you don't leave right now, I will break your thighs.
Okay, then let me see the time of drama.
Kaluda, what will happen to me? Anna will surely break my thighs.
Yes, Kaluda, please save us. I am sure that Panda will break both of our thighs.
No, never. I will not make it happen. The theme of Kurukshetra cannot be reversed at any cost. Don't worry.
All of them have realized the audience has entered. Kaluda is struck to drop the carpet. Play begins. Duryodhan. Panda enters as Duryodhan with his mace. Scene 5 commences.
I am hiding in the lake, escaping from the battlefield. But hold, it is not a lake, it is a forest. That's what Kaluda told me.
Anna, what are you saying? Concentrate on your roles.
Now, Lord Krishna enters to give some advice to Duryodhan before starting of the final mace battle between Duryodhan and Bhim at Kurukshetra.
Dear brother, try to understand. Please don't let us down. Look, the audience is already laughing at us.
Laughing? Let them laugh. I will not fear for. I am Duryodhan. Have you seen my mace? You lame Krishna. Mind your own business.
Please, Panda, give your dialogues properly. I am starting. Listen, Duryodhan. You will get back for all your sins. Look at the many flares burning bright, the wrenching cry. You banished the Pandavas by cheating them in a game of dice. And today, you will pay for all your sins. Get ready for your ultimate punishment.
Stop your lecture. You lame Krishna. Or your own machine.
Please, Panda, do not ruin our drama. Your time has come, Duryodhan. There comes mighty Bhim. Get ready. It is the day of judgment for you.
Now he enters with his mace.
You traitor! You villain! There is no way to escape. You will not be spared at any cost. This battlefield is all ours. Come, let's fight for the truth.
Yes, Nimai. I was also waiting for you. Fight with me. Yes, come. Now, take this.
My heart, read this thing. Levi is all confused.
What? Why are you hitting me? But I should hit you.
Shut up! You will defeat me. Break my thigh. Forget it. I can beat you to a pulp. Want to see?
What are you doing? Why are you eating Bhim? Bhim was supposed to break your thighs. But what are you doing, Bhim?
Again? You're trying to speak in his favor. Wait and watch.
saying this, he turns towards me. Nima.
Please, please, Panna, leave me, leave me. I don't want to fight with you.
Won't fight with me. You are mighty Bhim. Now you want to escape. Sorry, brother. I will not leave you so easily. Call everyone you like. I will beat everyone into a ball. I am undefeatable.
Hearing this loud noise, Kaluda, Haradhan and Nikhil all have entered the stage hurriedly.
I will not allow the theme of Kurukshetra to be reversed. He will win. Comrades, hold him tight. Do not let this villain escape. Punch him. Give him a back. Give him a taste of his own medicine.
Now everyone catches hold of Panna, punch him and throw him on the ground. Panna also hit everyone right, left and center.
Leave me. Leave me. It is a war of righteousness. Then come, fight, one by one, not like cowards. All together, you put me down.
Now Levi regains himself and
Now, Durjodhan,
All of you are cowards. Look what they have done to me. I defeated Bhim. Now all together they try to touch me, crush me. Is this justified? You decide, dear audience.
Enough! Now stop your drama. You reversed the whole play. It is my mistake. Nobody can understand the essence of drama. But ultimately, Bhim defeated Duryodhan. I had not allowed the theme of Kurukshetra to be reversed. Very sorry, audience. I admit my mistake. Drop the curtains!